Uh-oh. Daddy's home. I'm in wicked trouble now.
You have no idea. You have to stop what you're doing.
Oh, sorry. Can't do that. I'm not finished yet.
Neither am I. Stay down.
How'd you do that? That's borrowed power. No way is it gonna be strong enough.
I'm here to help you.
Thanks, but I can kill a couple geeks all by myself. But hey, if you'd like to watch, I mean, that's what you watchers are good at, right? Watching? Butting in on things that don't concern you?
You concern me, Willow. Stay on this path and you'll wind up dead.
Willow, listen to him. I don't want to fight you anymore. I don't want to fight you either. I want to fight him.
Stay down.
No. Remember that little spat we had before you left? When you were under the delusion that you were still relevant here? You called me a rank, arrogant amateur. Well, buckle up, Rupert. 'Cause I've turned pro. Asmodia, bring forth.
Vincere.
What? No! No! Solo! Libero! What did you do?
Contained her and her powers within a binding field and puts her in a kind of stasis for the time. You cut your hair.
I'm blonde. I colored my hair. Again. I'm blonde.
Yes, I noticed. I'm very sorry about Tara.
This won't hold me forever.